Well, my name is Micah Anderson, and I serve here at South Suburban Church as an associate pastor, along with a number of other things. Part of my role and my oversight is of the tech here in the sanctuary. And this past couple weeks ago now, AVE came in and installed a whole new system for us. For us, that became really necessary, and it became very evident that it was necessary for a number of reasons. Our cabling started going out, so old system was just not carrying the signal that it needed to carry. We were getting pops and all kinds of little things in the system, just little gremlins that were messing things up over and over again. So we knew we needed to replace cabling, and two, the speakers that were here were really installed to accomplish the goal, but not necessarily accomplish it to the degree that it needed to be. So we had a wide decibel variance. It was hard for our sound engineers to mix. It was hard for people in the congregation to sit and listen. Frequently the mix was muddy. It was just all kinds of issues with the sound system itself. So we needed to replace the whole thing, and we did. We revamped it. We've got fresh speakers, fresh amps, fresh processor, fresh cabling, creating cleaner audio for our congregation. The message becomes clear, the music becomes clear, and our sound techs can run in a way that's efficient and effective. So as we started evaluating the system and the needs of our space, we contacted AVE, who our church has contracted with previously, so they were the natural first choice for us. Met with their team lead to talk through our needs, and the Martin Audio system that he recommended was kind of that mid-tier range. This is what we could afford, but also this is the best thing for the space that we have right now. We really do recommend working with AVE. The guys were here for the full week doing the install. They were easy to work with, kept me updated the whole way through, handled some curveballs that came up in our system just with cable runs and a few extra things that we wanted added. So we strongly recommend AVE to anyone looking to replace their sound system.